Oh, I'm running it backwards. Oh no. Hey guys, peekaboo, it's me again with a 4x4, and I've got a 4x4 blindfolded scramble sat in front of me. So let's see if I can get a success. So I took a break of about a month, which could not have been useful. Since that break I did one attempt yesterday, and this will be my second one today, and I think this is like my 10th attempt total, something like that. Go. I'm gonna go for, that'd be good. So in my recent attempts, it only took me 4 or 5 minutes to memorize the cube, but this time it took me 8. And that's not because I was going safe or anything, I just couldn't get the memo to stick. So I finally put on the blindfold and started executing. And I did almost forget a couple of wing letters, but I sorted that. But now I pause at the corners because I realised that my corner memo doesn't make sense. So I have to try and figure out what I did wrong in my memo and then execute it correctly. This won't be easy. Yes! Oh! Yes, man! Yes! Oh! Yes! Oh! Yes! I did it! Daniel Evans will be pleased that I'm wearing this, that's all I'm gonna say. 13 minutes, I'm opening Discord so I can post it already. 13 minutes, 9 seconds, 0.95. 8:32 memo, 4:37 execution. Yes. Thank you very much for watching. I've been Daniel Kidd. Good night.